out which of our Pride of Britain fundraising finalists will be attending the award ceremony in London tonight. We hear from Jason Lewis from Wrexham. He's the brains behind RIDE Cymru, which has managed to raise almost £100,000 for Macmillan. But as you're about to find out, it's a challenge with a twist.
My name's Jason Lewis and I'm from Coedpoeth near Wrexham. Since 2012 I've organised charity motorcycle events. I had a family member that had been ill and I thought, well, I'd like to raise some money for the organisation that had helped them. I've always been a proud Welshman and Wales means a lot to me, and I thought, well, I'll do the perimeter of Wales and see if I can raise some money. We've currently raised about £95,000. After 3 years of doing RIDE Cymru, I thought it was getting a little bit tired and we needed to bring a bit more fun in. So I went away and I decided that we were all going to become Cymru Knievels. Since 2015, we've all ridden in the style, well, in the dress style of Evel Knievel. We haven't ridden in the riding style. Unfortunately, we find a lot of people under 40 think we're Elvis Presley. Obviously, people over 40 immediately know who we are. We're Evel Knievel. We've got people from Scotland, from London, from Devon. This year we had 5 Knievelesses, which was great. A lot of people think it's going to be a jolly. A lot of people think in their ignorance that, yeah, you're going for a ride around Wales. What's that, a couple of days? But it's actually 1,070 miles, 250 miles further than Land's End to John O'Groats. It's all on back lanes mostly, B roads, but the places in Wales that you see that you wouldn't normally see. You know, you see it. I thought I knew Wales well, but you see a totally different view of Wales, and it's brilliant and it's challenging. The amount of friendships that have been created each year, the camaraderie, it's just fun. It's just laughter. A little bit like a Monty Python sketch, having up to 50 Knievels coming through your village. Motorcyclists do so much fundraising, but unfortunately there is a stereotype to a lot of people about motorcyclists. The only thing I can say is that since we've adopted this theme, that's totally gone. As I say every year, you know, we're here to help people that are in a difficult place, and it's just great to be fit and healthy enough, even though I am trying to take the Knievel theme a bit too far at the moment. But it's just nice to be fit and healthy enough to go out there and help people that unfortunately can't get out there and do these things themselves.
Our last